Hello you guys, I'm going to be opening up a Steam Siege pack. I just went and bought it, so I'll just open this up. Let me just get it unboxed. I think this is Steam Siege, it should be right there, if you can see Steam Siege. And then we get our promo Floetta right there. If I'm saying it wrong, don't spam the comments. Right, I'm going to open up the pack. I got. We will do the card trick. If I can even get these out. Pokemon packets are hard to open for me. There. Right, let's do the card trick. That's the code. I'll give you the code. That's the code. If you want the code, pause it there. Right, so 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got. Right, we got a Hawlucha. Put that there. Skiploom. A captivating Pokepuff. Okay, put that. I'll put them over here. A Tangela. A Ruffet. A Oshawott. Pretty good card. Paranard. Rather. Ponyta. And a shiny Chandler. And the regular rare is a Yamenga. I'll just give you a preview of what we've all got. And we got our Floetta right there, if you can, it's a bit shiny. Floetta. Promo, I'm pretty sure. Ponyta. Paranard. Ruffet. Tangela. Captivating Pokepuff. Hawlucha. Oshawott. Yamenga. And Chandelure. Skiploom. And there's the code for one last time. It's a Steam Siege code. So